Do you want to play Dead by Daylight? Do you know what Dead by Daylight is? Do you just want to try to figure out how to be good at the damn game? Every week I am going to post a video on a new perk or tip related to Dead by Daylight and what I think new players should do in order to grow and succeed and get to the rank 1 that we all want to get to, even though it resets at the 13th of every month. Before we get started with this perk, I do want to mention that I do stream regularly on this channel, as well as post gaming videos, tips, and whatever else you guys really request or want. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can see when I post a new video and when I go live. This week, I definitely want to talk about one of the perks that I think you absolutely should try to get when you are practicing your Survivor gameplay, and that is Lithe, or Lithe, or Lithe. However you want to say it, don't care. It is a perk that you get when you use Fang Min. It comes with one of her perks. It is a teachable perk, so you can teach it to all of your survivors once you unlock it. This is what Lithe does. After performing a rushed vault, break into a sprint at 150% of your normal running speed for a maximum of 3 seconds. Causes the exhausted status effect for 40 seconds. Lithe cannot be used while exhausted. You do not recover from exhausted status effect while running. Now listen, this is a perk that I generally think sounds boring, but when you're new, you're trying to practice, you're chasing, you're trying to practice getting away from the killer. I think that this is one of the best things that you could possibly use when you're trying to practice. I still use it, and I've been playing Dead by Daylight since it came out in 2016. So I'm actually going to show you an entire match right now of Dead by Daylight with this perk, so that way you can kind of see if it would benefit you or if it's something you don't want to use. You want to use it. You want to use it. Play it! Mount Ormond Resort. This is my favorite map by far. Have they redone this map? This is new. Oh. The Legion. Okay. I love hiding in plain sight, and then they just walk right past. Oh, they got me this time, though. I risked it for the biscuit. All right. Come on, girl. You know better than this. Why am I not able to heal myself? I just mended myself. All right, let's go in here. Now I can self-care or just flat out heal myself. Are you coming up here? I'm gonna cleanse this totem and he is gonna be pissed. Pissed, I tell you. Pissed. Oh. What was it? I want to know what it was. I'll fall over here. There we go. He's going after them. Don't give me. Leave me alone. Dang. What? How did you get over there that fast? No, leave me alone, bruh. Run. Oh, bruh. I forgot you could do that. Oh, you are a monster. It's okay. I'll live. You are kidding me. What? No. That was just bad luck. That was some real bad luck. No. Okay, you know, it's fine. Hug me. Hug me. Just hug me. Hug me. Okay. One of them needs to come get me off of this hook. Do not do it like that. You do not do it like that. That is the worst thing you could have done. Will you? Oh. Kill him. Lithe. I need that guy to not do something to screw me over, which he did. Okay. I'm gonna heal you. I'm gonna be great. Oh, okay. You know what? He deserves that because he rescued me for his own benefit. Hey, this is how you do it. Nope. I'm not healing you because of what you did, sir. Oh, fine, I'll heal you. I'm a great person. We really need to work on a generator. What? There's another generator? No, he was breaking a pallet. I hope someone is working on a generator. Let's see if I can get away with this. He just got him again? Oh. Oh. Where do you think you are? Where do you think you're going? Where are you running? That was sheer luck. Pure luck. That was pure luck. There has to be a generator that is on this map. That's not that one. I just don't know what it is. Oh, it's that one. We're 3-gened. This is bad. There he goes. I don't think that he has NOED. Okay, I had to go. I'm sorry, I had to go. All right, so that was the match. I am going to start doing perks. I think I'm going to do perk of the week or something like this. I think that will be kind of fun, especially with the 6th year anniversary event going on. Subscribe, like this video. I need money, so please just, help me out here. So I'll see you guys in the next video or in my stream. Bye.